Hey friend, welcome to the BotBuhdy AI report. Today we've got a packed show for you. SpaceX acquires Cursor, AI code editor for $60 billion in all-stock deal. Figure AI hits one humanoid robot. Per hour production milestone at BotQ plant. Nvidia breaks ground on massive new AI infrastructure facility in Texas. And finally, Alibaba unveils AI models for robots, shifting focus to embodied agents. Let's get into it.
SpaceX just spent $60 billion to buy a code editor. Yes, you heard that right. The rocket company that went public last week just swallowed Cursor, the most popular AI coding tool on the planet, in an all-stock deal worth more than most nations. Here's why this matters. Cursor is not just an editor. It is the interface layer where millions of developers live and breathe every single day. By owning it, SpaceX and xAI get direct access to that audience, plus exclusive compute on the Colossus supercomputer for training future coding models. They no longer need to pay OpenAI or Anthropic for model access. They own the stack from silicon to software. The deal closes in Q3 of this year with a $1.5 billion breakup fee if it falls apart. One thing is obvious. The race to own developer mindshare just got very costly, and SpaceX is betting the farm.
All right, let's go. This next story has me fired up. You are going to want to hear this.
One robot every 60 minutes. That is the speed figure AI is now building humanoids at its BotQ factory. Let that sink in. While the internet debated benchmarks and white papers, Figure quietly turned on an assembly line that churns out walking, working humanoids at automotive pace. At 1 per hour, they are on track for thousands of units per year. That is the threshold where physical labor economics actually shift. Warehouses, factories, eventually homes. The robot is no longer a prototype wrapped in demo videos. It is a product coming off a conveyor belt. Meanwhile, Boston Dynamics just began shipping its electric atlas to Hyundai and Google DeepMind. The physical AI revolution is not waiting for AGI. It is shipping now, one machine at a time.
Now, this is impressive. Seriously, take a look at what they pulled off.
The GPU king is pouring concrete in Texas. Nvidia just broke ground on a sprawling new AI infrastructure campus in Sherman, including a specialized coherent manufacturing facility for advanced interconnects. Jensen Huang was on site in a hard hat, and the message was loud. Nvidia is not just selling chips anymore. It is constructing the entire physical layer of the intelligence explosion. New factories for coherent interconnects. Tailored manufacturing lines for AI-optimized systems. The supply chain for frontier training clusters is now as strategically critical as the silicon itself. While challengers design custom chips, Nvidia is locking in the roads, the power plants, and the mines. Texas just became ground zero for the infrastructure that will power the next decade of machine learning. And Nvidia intends to own every brick.
Okay, this next one. I am genuinely excited about this. You are going to love it.
The e-commerce giant behind Taobao just became a robot brain builder. Alibaba unveiled its Qwen robot suite on June 16th, including models for navigation, world understanding, and physical manipulation. They also dropped Qwen 3.7 Max, optimized for long-running AI agents. This is a hard pivot. For years, Alibaba chased chatbots. Now they are racing into embodied intelligence, where models control actual machines in warehouses and factories. The Qwen robot suite covers the full stack. Vision, planning, action. It signals that Chinese tech giants see the next battlefield as physical, not conversational. While Western labs focus on reasoning benchmarks, Alibaba is building the minds that will move boxes, stock shelves, and assemble parts. The chatbot era is fading. The robot era is here.
That's all for today, friend. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe. I will see you tomorrow with more AI news. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, leverage your intelligence.